Hey, it's Barb with Barb and Designs here. I am going to really up the game with this Patriotic star set that I found. I wanted to add some pattern to it with my chalk couture, and it's going to look awesome. These are silkscreen, reusable, adhesive back transfers that you can use over and over. And these are just some patterns that I'm going to use. So I use that polka dot on the red, and I'm using this small buffalo gingham check, and I really wasn't thinking because doing this red on the white, well, it looks great, except then it is so red that I end up with red, red, and blue stars, and I really want red, white, and blue. So stay tuned to see how I fix this. But on this blue one, I love the stripes here, and I'm using a gray color to just accentuate the blue star. You'll see that I'm just pulling this chalk paste across the silk screen. Doesn't take much. You scrape it thin and then pull up the transfer, and you've got this great pattern on the star. So here's what I did with this one I didn't want. I just wet it down because this is water soluble, and because these stars were not porous, I could just wipe that chalk paste off. And now I'm going to use white chalk paste instead of the red, and it's going to make this the perfect star. Now I've got this little corner that I didn't have enough room for, so I just added afterwards, and I've got my red, white, and blue stars. So check it out. I love it.